Right. What's up, guys? It's Brian here, Brian's Lawn Maintenance. It's a camera takeover. We're hanging out here. Look at this. We got Aiden.
What's going on, guys?
You guys know Aiden's your channel, dude.
This is my channel. What's up, guys? Aiden here, is on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm here with none other than Brian Fullerton with Brian's Lawn Maintenance, and we're hanging here at, as you can see here, Dawson Manufacturing with Nick. He's got a big thing going on tomorrow for his unveil, and he's going to be showing some cool stuff. So I'm sure, Brian, you're going to do a video on it, right? Or do something at least, so. I
thought he brought me here to hang out with you.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
He's like, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
No, yeah, we're hanging out here, like Aiden said, with Nick. He's got some really exciting things. We've already seen a little sneak peek. We can't give it away just yet.
Yeah.
But by the time this video might come out, you might see it already on Instagram. But awesome facility here.
Yeah,
you help Nick all the time, right?
Yeah, I help Nick all the time. And actually, I was going to say, him and I shot a video on the new product he's coming out with when I had won the Titan from Spencer Lawn Care.
Yeah.
So that same day we shot the video. So hopefully this week I'll have that done. I was supposed to have it before tomorrow, but I kind of forgot about it. Yeah,
what do you got, like school or work? Or
yeah, something like that.
It's like you're 15, you got responsibilities, right?
Yeah, imagine.
That's awesome, dude. Well, how's your season going?
It's been busy, but luckily with COVID, with school and everything, it's been nice to have a break from, you know, not being in the classroom and dealing with the school schedule. So it's been nice with that, at least.
I was gonna say, did you guys get an early spring, early summer, right? Because you guys got out of school early March?
They didn't change the day we got out of school, but we were in school until... we're
doing like e-learning or whatever they call it?
Yeah, so I think it was mid-June we were there for, so it was quite a while.
Wow.
But yeah.
Okay. Are you working from home? Doing school from home, or are you guys going to a physical place?
My brother and sister are in physical school, but I'm still at home, so I'm home by myself during the time.
All right.
Still pretty boring, but you know.
Well, this guy...
in school soon.
This guy, since then, he's working with Toro and Nick and this guy and that guy, getting mowers from the internet, which is just crazy. So shout out to the Spencers, which is really fun and really cool. What's going on with your business? You doing lawn care, landscaping?
A little bit of both. So I have some lawns in my neighborhood, but since it's mostly HOA managed, I just kind of let my brother take care of them because he's 13 and he's looking for some responsibilities and ways to make money. So I'm like, all right, well, Mondays, Tuesdays, Fridays, whenever you have availability, here's what needs to get done. Go ahead and take care of these lawns. And he does fine. And trying to get him to train better to weed whack because he's constantly wanting to dip the weed whacker right down in and just scalp out all the edges and stuff like that. So
I always say, like, if you hire somebody who does the trimming work, they either get it or they don't. Yeah. I mean, like, almost every job you can, like, continuously train, but the weed whip guy, like, either you get it or you don't. It's so hard to train people to, like, do it just right. Yeah. You're like, don't scalp it. Like, if it doesn't need it, skip it, you know? And,
well, yeah,
I don't know.
The weed whacker I gave him to use was one of my old ones, so it was a curved shaft, and he's tall, so I think what was happening is because it was a curved, he was dipping it into the ground, so I got him a straight shaft one to use and see if he'll like it better. But
leave us some comments down below. Have you guys ever had any problem with teaching or training people to get how to do the trimming? Is it just me, or is that like the most frustrating bottleneck to the business? I can teach somebody how to leaf blow, how to lay mulch, how to landscape, almost everything, right? How to pass out postcards and flyers. But when it comes to the weed whip guy, I've had guys literally where we're walking around the property and it just gets scalped and just all the way down to the dirt, and then I gotta like sprinkle a little bit of seed on. You get the phone call from the customer, hey, and they always play it off like you know, maybe it was somebody else, and they're like, hey, you know, nobody else was really here today except for you guys, but we noticed that the trimmer
maybe
guy,
one of your crew guys,
maybe one of the crew, maybe it's the new guy. I know, I'm not sure it's not you, and you're like, oh, come on, you know, Brad or whatever guy's working for you, and you're like, you had one job, and but anyway, so shout out to all the guys that do all the trimming work, because that's it's actually the make or to break it, more than the mowing, I feel. So
yeah.
But anyway.
So anyway, after I gave him that took a little bit of responsibility off of what I was doing. So now I'm more focused on getting those landscape jobs, making sure they're lined up, making sure we're having people like this past weekend we had a client, we were supposed to install 95 shrubs and 15 yards of mulch. So I had a mini skid steer rented, like a dingo with an auger bit, so we were just going to use an auger.
Wow.
But that was supposed to be yesterday and today, but what happened is I looked at the weather, and then the client ended up where they're going to get the plants from with COVID. The nursery ended up being real backed up, so they weren't able to get the plants in time. So,
are you kidding me? That's crazy, dude.
It got postponed, but I think we'll hopefully still be able to do it this year. So
95 plants. How do you do your markup for your plants? Like two and a half times, 3 times if you guarantee it? What do you do?
So since the clients actually
Let's get some secrets out of him.
They bought these plants because both the parents are landscape architects, but their landscaping needed a little bit of help. So I think they were looking for somebody to do the install work. So I told them, you guys buy the plants, I'll buy the mulch, rent the equipment I need. And I did just, of course, normally if I buy the plants, I'm going to mark them up. But if they're going to buy them, then you have to account for that per hour. So your hourly rate because in theory, everybody's going to buy their own material to save money.
Right.
So you got to recover the loss somewhere. So you
what do you
can't
charge
really,
them for labor? Like $150 an hour?
So that's exactly what I did. For 3 guys, it was guaranteed for $150 an hour. And then I just I just figured out how many hours I thought it would take us to get those plants installed.
That's a huge tip, dude. Good job.
So, and from there...
Well, I gotta add really quick, because I've learned from guys in the lawn care industry, like, you don't go to like an Outback Steakhouse and bring your own steak in a little baggie and then ask the cook to cook it for you and say, hey, just charge me labor. Just charge me... What? No, like, they make money buying the steak for $4 and selling it to you for $12, right?
Right, exactly.
Or you go buy your car brake pads. Well, they don't sell them to you for, what they get them for.
Oh, yeah, let me buy my new tires on eBay and you guys can put them on instead of me buying them through you. Yeah. No.
And if you do that, if you go buy like 4 car tires through, like, I don't know, Tire Rack or whatever those websites are, well, then Discount Tire is going to charge you $250 to add them, because they didn't get any money selling you the tires, and you're still taking up their bay time, right?
Exactly. So
it's a good tip right there.
So yeah, once I did that, I just did the mulch price from there. So honestly, it depends on the job. If it's a small job, like 1 to 2 yards, I'll typically do the $80 to $110 a yard, depending on the situation. But if it's a lot of mulch, I'll go ahead and just say, all right, well, it's 15 yards. I know what that costs me, so I think with delivery for 15 yards was like $450 around here. I was getting $20.80 a yard plus like a $50 delivery charge, so it wasn't too bad.
It's not bad.
And then I mark that up, and then normally I'll just do, if we're doing a whole hourly rate for the weekend, I'll just continue that rate through the mulch too. So that way you don't have to do it that way. And then you have to factor in any rentals, gas, that kind of stuff you need, because those mini skids do run pretty quick on gas. So you have to make sure you have...
So now that we're this far in, what are you going to title the video? Landscape Tips by A&A's The Lawn Care and Landscape?
I don't know. You got to always figure out the ways to get the people to click. Because
Business guru A&A is giving you guys all the tips and secrets here. What's some of your guys' favorite landscaping tips or ways that you guys charge or fees? Leave us some comments down below. I'm learning from this guy. I think he's almost, or you are half my age, which is ridiculous. But you're 15, you're hustling, dude, which is super exciting. But anything you want to leave these guys? Because this is a fun little quick video.
No,
a little impromptu,
really. I just wanted to catch up here with Brian, see what he was thinking, and we'll just put together a quick little video sitting here in the conference room.
I have no idea what I'm doing. My wife runs my calendar, my schedule. She's like, you're going on an airplane, you're hanging out with your friend Nick. I'm like, I get to hang out with my friend Nick? And I perked up, I got on an airplane, and all of a sudden I'm hanging out with this guy and Nick Carlson from Mulchmate. But this is awesome, man. Hey, I got to give a big thank you to this guy. Behind the scenes, he helps me edit videos here and there when I'm behind. He's a stud. He helps me all the time with tech and cameras and gears and reviews. He loves Casey Neistat and Peter McKinnon. He's always helping me with like the camera and the lenses, and he's way smarter than I am about all this stuff. But I always appreciate your partnership.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
This guy's a stud. But hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, big thumbs up. Show him some love. We're out of here because I think we're leaving to go to dinner.
Yeah, or lunch, whatever it is.
Whatever it is. And we got to get running. So, all right, guys. Well, that's it. Hey,
all right, we'll take care, guys. Yeah.
Bye.
All right, bye.